Guys, do you want to know how to uninstall Node.js from your system? So this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to uninstall Node.js from your system. So let's start the video. So guys, first of all, I'm opening my command prompt. So in search box, I'm simply typing cmd and here you guys can see command prompt. I'm just opening this and now here I'm going to type one command, node space hyphen version. So guys, I'm just trying to show you what version of node I'm having, and actually I'm having node or not. So here you can see it's showing me current version, whatever version of node installed on my system, it's showing me that. So now let's follow the steps for uninstallation. So for that guys, here you can click on this window icon here, and in this you can select this option of settings. And now guys, here at left side you can go to this option apps, and now here select this install apps, and now you can search node.js or simply node, and you can see here it's showing one app found, node.js, and here you can see this three dots. Just click on this, you will get modify and uninstall option. So select uninstall. It is asking confirmation, so we will click yes, uninstall. So now my uninstallation process has been started guys. It will not take more time and you can see it's done guys. Okay, so node.js has been uninstalled. Now let's open command prompt again and check it out whether it's showing me or not. So here I'm writing node space hyphen version on my command prompt, and you guys can see it's showing me node is not recognized as internal or external command. That means node has been uninstalled. Similarly guys, you can type npm space hyphen version and you can check that has also been uninstalled. So guys, this way you can uninstall node.js from your system. If you really like this video, do hit on like button and you can share with your friends. And if you have any query guys, you can put in comment box or you can share me through my Instagram, but before that follow me there. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning guys.